Hey there, aspiring writers! If you're here, you probably have a story burning inside you, just waiting to leap onto the pages of a novel. Today, I'm going to share some game-changing tips and tricks to help you master the art of novel writing. First things first, let's talk about planning. Some writers swear by detailed outlines, while others prefer to fly by the seat of their pants. Whichever camp you fall into, having at least a loose roadmap can save you from hitting those dreaded writer's blocks. Try jotting down your main plot points and character arcs. It doesn't have to be detailed, just enough to keep you on track. Remember, it's your guide, not a rulebook. Next up, characters. Your characters need to feel real, like they could step off the page and into your living room. Give them flaws, dreams, and motivations. And hey, don't forget their backstories. Even if you don't use every detail, knowing where they come from can make their actions and decisions more authentic. Try writing mini biographies for your main characters. It's a fun exercise that can add depth to your story. Now let's dive into setting. Whether it's a bustling city, a quaint village, or an alien planet, your setting should feel alive. Include sensory details, sights, sounds, smells, to immerse your readers. Think about how your setting influences the plot and your characters. An atmospheric setting can act almost like a character itself, shaping the story in subtle ways. When it comes to writing the actual prose, don't be afraid to let your unique voice shine through. Write in a style that feels natural to you. Whether it's poetic and lyrical or straightforward and crisp, your voice is what makes your story stand out. And remember, first drafts are just that, drafts. Give yourself permission to write poorly. You can always edit later. Speaking of editing, it's one of the most crucial steps in the writing process. After finishing your first draft, take a break before diving into revisions. This fresh perspective can help you spot plot holes, inconsistencies, and areas that need tightening. Consider getting feedback from beta readers or joining a writing group. Outside perspectives can offer invaluable insights. Finally, stay motivated. Writing a novel is a marathon, not a sprint. Set realistic goals, whether it's a daily word count or weekly chapter. Celebrate small victories and don't be too hard on yourself on tougher days. Writing is a journey, and every step, no matter how small, gets you closer to that final, glorious page. So, aspiring novelists, grab your pens, laptops, or typewriters and start crafting your masterpiece. Remember, every great novel started with a single word. Happy writing, thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more writing advice.